Hey, so card pull for the collective today. This is from the Angel and Tarot deck. This is Unity is what I pulled for everyone. In this card, can you see, there's all kinds of different belief systems. There's different things people believe, different organizations that people are a part of, members of, or that they're drawn to. And so what the message I got for this, it does say traditional viewpoints or methods, spiritual organizations, seek out mentors and like-minded friends. But what I see from this is all of these different systems of belief, all of these different circles. I'm not sure if you can see with the sun glare, but there's one truth, one source in the middle, and there's like wisps of energy that attaches all these different systems together, and it attaches them all to one central system. And maybe not system's not the right word. What I'm saying is we all come from source, no matter what our beliefs, no matter what our families have taught us, no matter what the systems have taught us. We are all from the same source. So no matter what we have been brought up to believe and what our beliefs are, the most important thing is to remember that we are source. So some of us might be challenged with this and having to unlearn things that we've learned over time. And I'm not saying one thing's more true than the other. What I'm saying is we are being guided now to come back together and realize that we're all source, no matter what the hell we've been taught, no matter what we believe, no matter what we think we know. We are all from the same source. So that unity consciousness is what we need right now. We need to stop with the separation, stop with the division, stop with the hate, stop with the, and just realize I'm light, you're light, we're all from the same light. We have all this light within. Why are we looking externally? Why are we looking to outside answers all the time when we are this one light, this central, I want to just say the sun. The sunlight is, how I feel. Very drawn to the sun. I feel like I'm charging when I'm in the sun, charging my batteries, getting energy from the sun. It's all good, but just remembering no matter what system of belief you were brought up with, we are from the same consciousness.